Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to remove one Windows OS from a dual boot system. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To remove one Windows OS from a dual boot system, open System Configuration, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, click on the Boot tab. You will see a list of installed operating systems. Select the operating system you want to remove from the list. Then click on Delete to remove it from the boot list. If necessary, select the remaining operating system, and click Set as Default to make it the default boot option. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Remove OS partition, optional. Open Disk Management by pressing Windows key plus X and selecting Disk Management. Locate the partition where the removed OS was installed. Right-click on the partition and select Delete Volume to free up space. Use bcdedit command, open CMD or command prompt as an administrator. Type and press Enter to list all boot menu entries. Identify the entry for the removed OS, and note its identifier, a string enclosed in curly braces. Type. Replace identifier with the actual identifier, and press Enter to remove the boot entry. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.